After running the Kuskanaks, we are headed south to the Wilson River, where we will camp for the night. Evan uses his drone to scout the 11K section of the Wilson. As he approaches the falls and the S-bend section, we find river-wide pieces of wood. I am in my sleeping pod and ready for bed. It's starting to rain. We'll be on the, I want to say Wilson. I hope that's right. We'll be on the Wilson tomorrow, unless I'm wrong. But we're camping here and we had a fire and had a really good day. So ready for bed. Good night. It's cold. Good sleep, but oh man. I think the water droplets froze on the roof. Rained all night. So I imagine the river's up. So yeah. Get up and find out what's going on. The water's come up quite a bit overnight, and we sent a drone out yesterday. The drone, we saw a bunch of wood, so there's like two sections of the Wilson. There's 11K and the 7K. The 11K has like a waterfall on it, and another feature called S-bend, where wood can collect. So we sent out a drone yesterday, and there is wood there. And we've decided, because none of us know the river all that well, and you know, beta from other paddlers in the area, we're just going to do the 7K today, and it's supposed to be lots of fun anyways, so we're looking forward to it.
So for you guys, have you done it? You've done it.
I did it
2 years ago, yeah. Similar flows or what?
I do it slower.
Yeah. So this first one's sweet. Like, make sure you get that nice booth over that corner down there. And then there's like a bit of a straightaway.
I hit a fuck you rock. Yeah, they're assholes. Yeah. Oh yeah.
You don't want to go right here.
You don't want to go right?
You don't want to go right.
There's so much boils here. Yeah. Yeah.
That is really hard to see. It might have flashed.
Woo-hoo! Whoa! Woo! good eddy. It's a really bad eddy. That was awesome. Man. Yeah. The Wilson was so much fun. We ran into Sven, the AQ ambassador, and Nate, and they guided us down the Wilson. Tyler has ran it before, but not at the level that we ran it today. It was actually pretty high. It was a lot of fun. We had a blast. And yeah, now we're off to the Selmo and we'll hit it tomorrow morning, and then I'm going to be headed home. So yeah, it's been a really fun trip so far, and some very different whitewater that it's not like what we have near Calgary, that's for sure. Very continuous, very steep gradients. Just coming into Trail BC. I've never been here before. I'm in search of a pub with meat and beer. Oh, and a toilet. That's what I'm here for. I heard a wild turkey call.
It's been going all day.
Yeah?
Is it like... Oh, it's freaking...
Hey! You did it!
Going how I planned.
Where do we want to pick this? This is on my turkey now.
It'd probably be better for me if you had hands on.
I shut my door and am relieved that I can't hear the redneck karaoke going on across the river with one individual, let's say. And yeah, he's had a few too many.